Right, blast from the past. You'd normally expect me to be doing this MTD network in a machine shop, but we're at ABB Robotics in Milton Keynes. We've been doing some filming today on these fantastic machines, 6-axis, huge payload, vision systems, state of the art, absolutely brilliant. Everything's now packed away. I was heading home, but then I saw this beauty. No, not Matt, the robot here. It has to be done as a blast from the past. Matt, tell me a bit about it, please.
This is a 1973, a vintage. IRV6. This is one of the first electron microprocessor controlled robots that there was out there, and believe it or not, there's still some of these in operation today.
Still going strong, isn't
yep.
it?
Testament
Brilliant.
to the reliability of ABB.
Absolutely. Now, the machines we've just been filming, 6 and 7 axis. How many axes is this?
This is a 4-axis robot, so much simpler.
Yep.
Nowhere near as accurate as the robots that we have today. A lot has developed since then, but still a good robot.
But I also notice ASEA, is it?
Yeah, ASEA and Brown Brovich were two companies that came together to make ABB. So Swedish and Swiss companies came together.
A bit of education for me.
There we go, yeah, absolutely.
Now, blast from the past, normally have to guess what age it is. We know what age it is, 1973, but I want to know, first person to get the right payload on this, guess it, will win a decent prize. Matt, what are you going to tell me? Not a lot.
Not a lot. As a little tip, the equivalent robot today would carry about 12 kilos.
So there you go. Get your guesses in. First correct guess, and not from you, Matt, or your colleagues who've been standing in the background, will give you a nice prize, maybe even Swafford Chips goodie bag.